Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off optimal resolution notifications on your Windows computer. So if it's consistently prompting you to set an optimal resolution, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable that. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the system tile and then select notifications and actions on the left side. So on this page you want to scroll down until you see where it says get notification from the senders. Go ahead and locate where it says display settings if that's what you are getting a pop-up for, and just toggle it to the off position. So again, it will say display settings. And if you just want to turn off other notifications too, you can just turn this get notifications from apps and other senders, turning it off up here, basically the master control up there. Otherwise, you can just, like I said, just turn off the one that says display settings in here, and then you just close out of here, restart your computer, and that would be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.